Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your location, wherever you are right now. What's up? How you guys doing today, Sunday? Hope you guys don't knock on a Sunday jollof rice. Okay, it's Oshe React channel this week again with another round of Oshe comedy reaction. Come on, your body. Oshe, I see the whole jete by jete, with the guam like this. All right, this week is another round of episode 3 of Nigerian comedy reaction videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to share the video and comment on the comment section of the video below. Come on, everybody. Oshe, what up? Guess what? As usual, get your cheese balls and your chilled mouth while we enjoy the Nigerian comedy video reaction together. I see the hot. Come on, everybody. Oshe, let's go there.
Oh boy, now $5 that the client account. Not the door now. Snap the credit card front and back, send give me. Our system like this, I they work. Only baby.
This is Sabino's, one of Sabino's guys. This guy have been doing fine.
Only baby. I want that I say me pick. Now they give me 700. But my rate na 30%. For money where you pick for grand. Okay, get looks at this money online though. If I pick the money online, now 60% I collect.
60%.
Papa no dey wine baby. Oh, what kind of nonsense with this now? Okay, that 30% what I collect, that's na local. If those na international wire, na 60% I collect. If those are
this so funny.
For that. No stress baby this year.
I heard something. I heard that this guy has been settled by Sabino.
This boy they pick
They really try.
Hey, come back here! Come back here! Imagine the way you greeted us.
Come on, I love this comedy. This is blessed memory of Mr. Ibu. We miss you so much. Your umbrella.
What have I done? Why should I turn around?
A lot of things. Wait.
Run.
She has done a lot. Will you shut up? Turn around.
Stay turn around.
It means rotate.
Oh boy.
What's the problem?
See, Nigeria they talk anyhow. This is the way Destiny School carries. So some people say that's fake. What up? Is it fake? Please leave a comment below the video if it's fake. I'm not sure it's fake. Look at this kind of big something. Come on, your body. Oh shit. Mr. Ibu don't confuse. Man, I love Mr. Ibu. I love this guy. Wow.
Where's your vehicle license?
Vehicle license?
Who initiated you into this court?
Who initiated you into this court?
Look, officer, we are going to take out our private hospital for surgery.
Yes!
We are going to take you for surgery because what you have here is SS. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you. Hey, shut up.
SS Yansh.
Never mind, I will release you on bail. By 10 o'clock tomorrow, come and see me.
Come and see me tomorrow.
Go!
Mr. Ibu don't confuse. He don't confuse. You're confused already. Mr. Ibu. Amayivi. Great guy.
Tomorrow, you will experience the first rape in your life.
It's not tomorrow you will experience your first trip.
Emeka, this one you don't come before you start to come. What's up now? Just go on fast. My husband just come on.
What's happening here?
Where you want me to go? No go room and be back here. Emeka, this one
Some of our Nigerian girls, they are not trying at all.
Sharp.
Oh man, you are having this woman that you're planning to get married to. Please be very, very careful. Look at what's happening now. Good for you. Jesus what?
Emeka is just a friend. A friend? I'm so sorry, Jesus.
Where guy man don't come up for house, these girls they get one or two things with the package. Can imagine.
Madam, Happy New Year.
This guy is real funny, eh? Okay. What's his name?
Madam, you see, I am currently ensuring tremendously peckish and ravenous, and I beseech that out of your altruistic, munificent, bounteous, malevolent, and
your grammar too
philanthropic
dey
character that
plenty.
you bequeath to
Why
me
don't you
with
just go straight to the
substantial
point?
amount of comestibles and fibers. Let me imbibe into my digestive system.
Oga, I no get strength for this your grammar this year. As you can see, I have other customers.
Oh minor.
Go straight to the point.
Okay, madam. Currently,
you want lawyer? Guys don't lawyer by force.
Just give me food, but I promise next week I'll pay you back.
Oh God, this one a new year. I know they sell credit for anybody, no matter who you.
Yes.
Now so last year, I want use credit close down my.
Yes,
business.
like that
I know they
terms,
sell credit for
like the
anybody.
term implies.
Madam,
You
I
no
said
good
I
for
will pay
anybody.
next week.
I said I'm not selling.
Hello.
We may be hungry, but we can manage our
That's good. At least there's
morning,
a
sir.
good Samaritan by the
You and that
side.
woman they argue. So
Okay.
she no give you credit. I know say things hard and the year just the start. Every church join me, make we follow you this week.
Thank you very much.
I feel like supposed to be.
Clap for Jesus.
Such a nice man.
Jesus. Clap for Jesus. If not be Jesus Christ, where they won't belong. I want ya.
Jesus,
What's going on here?
barrister, you dey follow madman dey chop.
What do you mean, madman?
This man a madman wey dey go for gutter go pick dirty, come follow normal people dey
Jesus.
chop for here.
Jesus.
Even this food wey dey follow and chop, na him pick am from gutter. You, I never tell you make they carry your dirty, they come sit down for my shop. Come, get out from here.
But if you are not sure for you. What up? Where are you watching from?
So now I that inside gutter.
What up? Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment below the video in the comment section.
You don't know why it's going on.
Hey,
Barrister, you see, I no tell you say na madman.
Barrister. Okay. How many meter I go put for you?
that's how many.
Lord of Jesus.
So you're a madman?
No, you can't be madman. Nah, good man.
Can I eat this food from the gutter?
You're in
Believe that
problem.
wicked woman. Come and chop directly from the pot.
Gaga to one gaga.
Gaga, one gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
No, make we separate. Everybody go their mama house.
What is
You
this guy
don't know
saying?
too much now.
How you want it happen? Say
Why
you
did
dey
you marry her?
How?
Let us separate.
Separate here.
Talk for better for us.
Okay.
Now me you do, huh? Now me say I want. I say I don't want again. Marriage now do or die.
And your reason be say waiting.
I don't tire. You don't know too much.
I make you won't go. No problem. Say you don't tire about.
Man,
No problem.
these women
You
are
don't go
really
to mama house.
frustrating
No.
men
There's
these
one
days.
thing you go do for me. You go do one thing for me. I go bring
Now we
drink
the
now.
frustrating our husband. No, now
One
be very
last time as
careful.
husband and wife, we go share am, we go drink am. Then I go carry my things, they go my mama house.
Good.
You accept?
Good.
It's alright.
Shame. Marriage not be do or die. Let us separate. Everybody go in mama way. Cheat me one, cheat me two. You think I be mumu? Look at how.
Take. Now cook you they like, abi? Take.
What is she
Oh, yeah.
trying to do?
Help me, open her.
To help you open up does not mean say love them.
I say help me open. Not be one last thing I say maybe do today.
Good.
Okay.
You're on now,
This is
you're on
it.
now. That's the hot.
Okay.
This is it. Everybody drink and go.
No. Before you drink, put some here.
I know they to do love again.
How do you say you they go? I say put some here.
See, they go.
You are a mumu man. Oh, mumu not too much.
It's too much.
Yeah, they go at mama house.
No. One last thing. Oh yeah, hold on.
Good what?
I
know you now.
What is she trying to do?
You put Coke inside them.
I put my coke now.
And I put my Fanta inside.
Do I see it?
Okay. Make you see them very well. Now
You
what you go
don't
do
see
for
am
me? You go come out your Coke where you put inside here. You go put them inside here. No touch my Fanta.
This woman are
When you come out
troublemaker.
and finish, I will carry my Fanta.
You know, see concept where this woman they try arrange. Very funny.
How you think
I
they go
think
there
so.
possible?
Oh, yeah, remove her now.
You
Let
two
me
don't
say you
come
one
together
time.
now.
Okoro.
Okoro.
Come out. That your
your
Coke
Coke.
when you put inside here. Come out and not touch my Fanta.
What's that?
Carry and put inside this bottle.
If
Give
I
my
thought you
Fanta.
go call man of God, it cannot come. Gee, this thing don't mix up. And I say don't mix up. How can you separate the coke inside the Fanta?
Eh, not to separate her.
No, you can't separate it now.
Now this Coke and Fanta taste joint, so now so me and you don't taste joint.
Not a day like this.
For many years when we get married, with children and everything, now so we don't say Jean body, nobody feel separate us. Now so it be. If you not say you not come on your
like the video, comment below the video,
just not say
and don't
this
forget to
marriage
share, please. Come on, everybody, we'll still react. But this is my torture this man here.
Cannot separate the coke inside. The two of them don't mix up now.
Naija, they tell you so. Since you not say you not fit do am, na for better for worse.
For better for worse.
Nothing fit separate us. As if
Wala.
so we take Jean.
Possible.
Nothing till death.
Do us part, yeah. Oh boy.
Give me money for the mineral. I not fit use my money pay for experiment. I just want to show you how we take mix together. Give me money for the mineral.
Hey.
Madam, you overwise, oh.
Again.
You overwise.
Hey.
Alright.
Problem.
Divorce. I just use and
Oh
show
boy.
you.
This one na cheating, no.
That is cheating. You go run leave your family and your wife. Drink your coke, body dey okay. Make dem give you bread join am make you take dey.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're
welcome.
Harmonious and genteel judicial dinkum oil forum.
You know what they talk?
And I, Professor Pastor Titus, is the big week.
I don't have the time to check dictionary. I would have checked.
Of this judiciary. This is a courthouse that is geared towards enhancing a society that is devoid of todo, hoha, hokum, and brobding, nagan, gaga. That being said, before I proceed to the bone of contention, I would like to stress that this court will not entertain any amount of court swallow, flabdoodle, and bourgeois tattoo during the course of this court session. Okay. Now, so young lady, after hearing his formulation and polemic peroration or tirade, what is your own POV or what is your own side of the story?
Thank you, my lord. Wetin dey talk na truth. My lord, I carry my bag say I go visit one of my friend wey just from UK come back. My lord, December don come go. He don go back to UK. Now say I carry my bag come back to my boyfriend house. So I swear I no do anything. I no do anything with the guy. Now my boyfriend say I no go enter house again. Why I no go enter house now? Relationship we don build for 4 years.
Carry bag, go dey with your friend who come from UK.
My lord, I no get
leave your boyfriend within Nigeria. After your UK friend don't go, spend Christmas.
Well, after hearing your obloku, Philippines and your relative harangue, let me postulate and calibrate from my hypothalamus using the crinkum that you both disembarked and disseminated to this honorable judicial edifice. At this juncture, intersection and Sangam, I have a few questions for the both of you. Starting with you, young lady. Why did you abruptly abscond and absquatulate from the house you were living with your boyfriend?
My lord, you say?
Why did you leave the house you were living with your boyfriend?
Okay.
Like I said, I went to visit a friend that just came from UK, nothing much.
No problem.
Young lady, did you at any point notify him that you were terminating the relationship?
Okay. My lord, yes I did now. I was not serious. And now I've
you were
realized
not
my
what?
mistake, my lord.
You man heart.
I don't have anywhere to go.
You're joking with the guy's heart.
So he must marry me. He must marry me.
Young lady, were you under duress or were you forced or cajoled into indulging in the abortion?
Ask her.
My lord, I was not forced. We love ourselves. My lord.
Were you cajoled? Which love yourself?
You know what they talk?
Now, over to the young man, do you still love her and are you willing to accept her back?
No, my lord. My lord, when she been come out, she tell me say I'm not her class.
No agree. If na you uncle, you go agree.
But now they don't disappoint her. She come back to me. My lord, me I no go accept her.
Yes. That's what I expect from you.
I don't get anywhere to go stay.
You find where you want to go. Find your guy, go UK.
I don't get anywhere to go.
Go find out your UK boyfriend.
Young man, did she at any point contribute with you in paying the house rent?
No, my lord.
Okay.
Na me dey pay the rent, everything for the house. Na me dey buy am. Even her pants, na me dey buy am.
You give me a modicum amount of hiatus. Let me have a confabulation and tete-a-tete.
Well, consult your man. Man, that girl is just effing up. That girl is effing up.
At this juncture, intersection and Sangam, after every hypothesis, evaluation, thesis, let me give you a concise and helicopter view on this issue. Now, this is the verdict. Young lady, you formally terminated this relationship because at that point you felt like you had a better option. You dumped this young man, causing him emotional damage because you had hopes of traveling abroad, and because you've been disappointed, you've decided to come back to him. And this is the verdict of the honorable court. The court is ordering you to stay away from this young man because he's not obligated to accommodating you except he deems fit. That is the verdict.
I got
the advice from a madman.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is this 32 at your first street? Yes.
This girl is doing a good mime on this one.
Are you at?
This is Bimbo Ademoye, if I'm not mistaken.
You not directed.
Nollywood actor.
Yesterday evening, I go use your HIV test result to test you for me. Test result. So test result. I'm a positive. We now come here now. Positive. Tell your colleague on Ivia that you are a carrier. Yes, people. Telling that you are a carrier on you,
He's a carrier.
I want go ball. Whether na football or na ball or na ball.
Our AI, Naija AI.
Yes. Well done.
Naija AI.
Is that Gary?
Gary.
This one they run they go.
Wait till you want this one. Who will be this one?
Gary don't do you never see any.
What?
They make you the run like that.
Voila.
God have mercy upon us.
Bro, I be that one rich.
How will reach me?
She's in a play.
Jedrolita taking Gary and granite. Man, I love this girl. This girl has blown to fame. Give God all the glory.
As from this, so you know the film. What?
Jedrolita. Our own Jedrolita. I learned that Jedrolita is from Edo State. I don't know how true it is, but please somebody leave a comment below the video. I want to learn about it.
Even though I know sleeping, and Gary will now.
Hey, Gary will. See, look at this Babua. Even carry back. Wahala. You are modern Jaguar. Just to pass one. Look at Sam Loco and Mr. Ibu. This is great. I really miss these guys. So rest in peace. Sam Loco Efe and John Okafor, Mr. Ibu. The blessed memory. And then we dwarf the place, so see. Ibu don't carry ball. Okay, now. Alright. Pass it to Mr. Ibu. The food of blue. Sure. Some look good out here. Yeah, this is fun. Okay, pass 2. Point. Where this come? I wish I could wind that up to you. Don't fight, please.
Baby, I think this car, we need to call the mechanic to come and pick it up, okay?
You copy some husband, sweetheart.
You will die.
Okay, now, just set for the house.
Baby, calm down.
You're gonna trust man.
Jesus. No, calm down.
What did you say?
God have mercy upon us.
What is going on here?
Baby, calm down.
Calm down. Baby.
No, calm down.
In my house. Baby.
They're two the wrong things. They're the wrong things.
Can I do that? And then, no. She said baby. I heard her right.
Boss, sweetheart.
That's bad. Eh?
Jesus!
Sweetheart.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. Okay, the couple that they fuck up since. Mommy wa versus macaroni. Man, Mommy wa is a very hot lady. Come on, your body.
Are you looking at another woman while we're hanging out?
This guy don't fuck up for you.
Sorry, don't worry. Drink your food. Drink your juice, please. I don't understand. You can shape it.
You never see anything.
You never see anything.
Who plays? Me.
Mommy wa macaroni. One more. This guy don't finish for where he do.
Why are you staring?
Okay.
Can you mind your business?
Mind your business. This is Bola Nina Lowo, something like that.
Hey.
What's going on?
This guy and Mommy wa always play this part of this prank part,
What's going on?
just to cajole macaroni.
Oh my God, I like the green.
Thank you. I know it's your favorite color.
Oh, really? So this is all for me, huh?
All for you.
All right.
Rumor is having it that Mommy Wa is married. I don't know how true it is. Please, if you think that Mommy Wa is married, please leave a comment on the comment section, please.
Oh my God, all for me? Don't worry, everything's okay.
Magbami o. Ìyàwó ẹ ti kó. Like I know they himself o. They play.
Baby.
Just they play.
Yes, strong enough.
Okay, this is strong enough.
Okay.
It's so strong.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Strong.
Okay.
Ah.
Hey, stop that! Stop that!
Hey, you know people have get happy.
Uncle, I don't understand number 5 question.
Chibike.
Let me see. You were given 2 years visa to travel to Canada.
Yeah.
And you traveled in 2022. What year are you coming back?
So I don't understand.
It's simple now.
What year are you supposed to return?
When will I come back?
Yes.
Come back to where?
To
Nigeria.
Where you traveled from now?
And do what?
Chibike, answer this question.
Come back to
now.
your country
I'm not
now.
coming back.
Are you alright?
They give me 2 years to Canada.
Mm-hmm.
When will I come back?
Mm-hmm.
Others are jack buying. Me that will not come back.
Is that others are jack buying?
Okay, come back and do what?
It is an arithmetic question, Chibike. We are assuming.
Let's just assume I lost that Canada. Let's assume I lost. And they
Let's
lost
just
me.
assume I lost.
Me, I cannot come back.
You can't come back, Avi.
Chibike, you are arguing with
So I'm
me.
not arguing with you. I'm just telling you the truth. That means I will not come back to this.
Come back and do what?
Just know that you have failed.
Others are jack buying. You want to
If you
come
fail
back
the
to
next
this
question,
country.
Chibike,
The country
you
is
repeat this class.
it's just
Have you done question 2?
I've not done it.
what up? The country and only God. Write something
What is
below the
5
video.
raised to power 10?
Thank you.
5 raised to power 10.
Yes. Answer the question.
5 cannot carry 10. They are not made.
Chibike, don't be stupid.
So 5 cannot carry 10. They are not mates. Which can they born 5? You have to be competing with 10. 10 senior 5 now. So how can 5 raise 10? It's not possible.
Okay.
I'm giving you the last chance.
So 5 cannot carry 10.
As 5 cannot raise 10, you raise your hands.
Samuel.
Sammy.
Have you done number 5?
Have you done number 5? Nice guy.
Hello, baby. Hello, Papa, now one for you. You promised me say go bring thing for me 2 days ago. Now they call your line, no they go. Although Papa, they look down on me because he hears I don't broke. But they forget say who get grace. If you carry 1 MB, pick 1 million.
Yeah.
Calm down now. Why they rush?
Who get grace? Pick use 1 MB,
Baba,
pick 10
I
billion.
long sleep. I got done long sleep. Papa, bring that D for me now. See, if Naija do I tell you, you go calm down. This life they need to rush am. We dey take things slow
As a
and
man.
steady. Calm down. Baba, slow and
As a
steady can
baby.
they go. My own life now fast and steady. How can they do fast and steady? You know, say if you do fast and steady, you go quick tire. Baba, who tire never expire. Even that retire, I go still the fire. Bring the D come, I dey work. May no be like that, I no do am for you. With my carry you go.
Am I you be?
Mo go. Mo go. See, you go try deliver this time around though. Baba, me I dey deliver.
Try deliver, oh. Try deliver.
This is your Lord spiritual.
Good afternoon. How are you?
The man of God.
This is the guy I told you that will help you pick up those materials.
This guy? Are you sure this guy can pick up these things?
Yes, that he will pick it. He's another man. He can pick it.
As a man?
I thought Azama only picks cash.
Baba, listen to me. Azama what they pick only cash na trash. And no quick class. If I pick up D, leave am for baby.
Young man, see, let me tell you.
I like this guy lyrics.
These materials that have been hanging at the border for over 2 months. They've been there because I don't have a dollar receipt currently to pick them up.
I
need someone who has a dollar receipt to help me clear them off. They've been giving me sleepless nights and I can't even sleep for long.
Baba, you na the same thing. Azama when they sleep for long, no go fit pick up long sleep.
Okay. Yeah, Azama when they sleep for long, no they pick up long sleep. Come on, body. Very punchy.
Yeah, just contact this number. So how long is it going to take?
Baba, give me 7 minutes.
7 minutes?
Active.
Yes, now he's very fast. He quick.
Are you sure about this guy?
Daddy, don't worry. Now that guy is an accurate timekeeper. He'll be here on time. Don't worry.
We've been waiting and waiting and we're not
Let's
seeing
see.
you.
Let's see what's up. You don't come on.
Young man, where are the Christian materials I asked you to pick up?
Baba, yeah.
What is this?
I don't collect my 30%.
And so?
Baba, if you collect 30% for Christianity, now juju remain.
Look, you won't collect percentage for Christianity.
Baba, listen to me, oh. For every pickup, there's a tip off.
Wala.
If you are relative, arrest my case.
Very funny. Arrest the case, man.
My God.
Come on, body. This couple self, I don't understand that. Why is he holding her ass line? This girl is a suspect. She's a suspect. Sure. Please, what do you think is a reason for doing this? Please comment below the video, because I'm wondering. It's funny, but it's funny though, but I don't really know why is she behaving like this. This girl don't have sense. This girl don't have sense. Wahala.
Hey. Nuka, water don't pass Gary.
Come on, the water now.
Nuka, Kansala don't boss. Problem don't ground.
What is on ground?
Nuka, China want to go over Nigeria.
Modia.
Which time talk be that?
Who told you that?
Since they create this country, we don't borrow money from China. We don't borrow money, so take the money, we will not pay back. China don't invest, they want to take over the country.
You mean now?
Look, in a bit to pay that money, Nigerian government don't decide they will share the money to each individual in the country. How many years today?
Are they 24 years?
24 plus 24. 48. Look, in the old China, 48 million Chinese yuan. Money will not follow.
I don't want to see money will not chop.
They invest me. They say they go change our names to Chinese names.
Chikwanjo.
My name is Andoka.
Andoka for China now. Yaoshida.
God forbid. God forbid. What will be your own name?
Fuchua.
Yaoshida. What? Fuchua.
That's what their Chinese name.
Jesus. Nyo somo pichu nyo. Yaoshida. Not be that black Igbo with the pastor be that.
This God help us to make this kind of thing no happen for Nigeria.
China get one technology.
I go Japan and start to know.
Our skin go change like their skin. We go get hair like that. We go to speak their language.
Problem.
You understand? Jesus!
You understand? All right, thank you very much. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving me your time. Please, like I said before, watch out for episode 4. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to share the video. I hope you did leave a comment below the video. Come on, everybody. We'll share until next week. Peace. Ha.